Hey everybody, Mrs. Dalton here. Okay, so I'm going to make a video to kind of show you how to get to your Canvas and how to submit the assignments for this week, because I know some of you are having some issues because this is all new for all of us. So let me walk you through. The easiest way I can think of is logging on through the single sign-on portal, the EMS SSO. You can see that I've already Googled this before. Okay, and you're going to click on this first one. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to log in as my son, and then I'm going to switch over to my Canvas account so I can show you our assignments. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put in your student ID number. Okay, that's my son's. And then your password is going to be capital first letter of your first name, and then lowercase first letter of your last name, and then your birthday in all numbers. So like if your birthday is January 25th of 2008, then you would put in 01252008, okay? So let me get logged in as my son. And when you get logged in, you should see all of these things that you have access to in the single sign-on portal, okay? So you can get to your Skyward, you can get to Canvas, and Office 365, okay. We won't touch Office 365 just yet unless you want to go in and log in. That is where you actually have a school set up email account. So I believe Dr. Chadwell sent out an email telling your parents about that, and that if they did not want you to access that school email, that they need to contact us and let us know that they want to opt out, okay? But that's a whole nother video. So we're going to click on Canvas because that's where all of your work is going to go. So I'm going to click on Canvas, and then I'm going to slide over to my screen because I've set myself up as a student for my class so I can show you guys what it looks like, okay? So when you get to your Canvas home screen, you should have a dashboard, and it should have all of your classes. Because this is like an example account, I only see my class. You guys should see all of your other teachers as well. This is just me. I don't have any other teachers that have me set up in their accounts, okay? So you're going to click on the class you want to be in. I'll show you mine because that's the one I need you to get into. And it should pull up. Oops. What is happening? I am unauthorized. Is this my kid? This still may be my son. Oh, this is my son. Okay. So since I logged in as him, maybe let me go here. Yep, this is all his stuff. It logged him out, or it logged him in over me. All right. Pause for just a second. Back from pausing, I fixed my login so that you weren't looking at my son's because he's in 9th grade, so none of that's going to make sense to you guys. Okay, so I'm logged in as me. And I'm going to click on my classroom. And what should come up is this week's assignments under the distance learning week of March 23rd. And then you have all of these things, okay? So the first thing I want you to click on is this first one. This is where it gives you the directions. And I'm not going to read over everything that's here. Basically, click on this guy right here, and it'll pull up the directions on what you're going to be doing for the week. Okay, so basically you're going to be doing, the second page is where the activities are. You're going to be picking one or two choices from this choice board talking about one of these topics. Okay, and I set up some assignments in Canvas to make this easier for you. Okay, so here's just the information if you want to read that, or if your parents want to print it out and look at it. But I'm going to go back to Canvas. Okay, so here are some links that you guys can click on and go to. Honestly, this one is my favorite, Virtual Nerd. I love all of their videos. They're short, they're easy, and they've got some really good examples. But let's go into doing this week's assignments. Okay, so say I want to do from the choice board, let's say I want to do the blog post or media review, okay? It says to discuss in your post a career in one of these STEM subjects, or watch a movie or a TV show, series episode, or read an article using your topic. Okay, so what I'll do is you can click next, and I've set up 5 assignments. So if you want to do the 1-pager, it's right there. And here's what I've done. You can submit it by typing in the text box. You can upload a website, maybe that you have, or maybe like a YouTube. Maybe you've got a YouTube channel and you want to show me, you want to upload your video and send me to your channel. You can upload a media recording, or you can do a file upload, which could be anything like a picture or a Word document or anything like that, okay? But here's the part where it's a little tricky. It gives you all the directions here. Here, choose your topic, and then here's what I want to see on the 1-pager. And I will tell you that if you are trying to do the text box entry for the 1-pager, it's going to be a little bit difficult to get that border on there. So maybe your best bet would be to maybe draw it on paper. Take a picture of it with your phone or your computer and then upload it to Canvas, and that would just be in your file upload. But whatever you plan on doing, you're going to scroll up here and you're going to click on Submit Assignment. And that, if you scroll back down, is going to show you all of the ways that you can submit your answers. Okay, so if you want to do a file upload, like a picture or a Word document or something on your computer, you'll just choose the file and attach it. If you want to just type in here, go for it. You can type your response in here and send it to me when you're done. I think there's a submit assignment, okay? If you've got a website that you uploaded your answer to or whatever, you'll just copy paste your website here. We really don't want to work with the Google Drive and Google Docs because the district says that Google does not have the greatest amount of security for your information, so we may skip over that. Media, if you want to record or upload media here. Dropbox, if you've got it, not a lot of people do. You would just select a file just like anything else and upload it. And then Office 365, that's where all of your, let's see what comes up here. I'm really not sure what's going to come up here. Okay, so Office 365, it's going to want you to log in to that account, okay? So those are all of the ways you can submit your assignments through the 1-pager, okay? I've had lots of kids upload pictures, pictures of things they've written on, all kinds of stuff. And then you'll just click next. I'll go ahead and hit leave. That's fine. I don't have anything to save. You can click next if you want to do the blog post or media review. The topics are here, and then the directions are here too. So you don't have to keep going back and forth between these downloaded directions here. They're already right here for you, okay? The next one is the multiple representations. Here are the directions again. Here are the topics. And in all of these assignments, you can either type your responses in or upload anything else that you like, okay? And I will tell you that Canvas works best in the desktop view. So if you're trying to do this on your app, you're probably going to have a little trouble. So if you are on your phone or you are on your iPad or your tablet or something, there should be an option for you to click on desktop version and you can see the screen that way, okay? And that would be easier for you to upload that, okay? If you click next, contributors to society, there are the directions, there are the topics again. Don't forget, anytime you want to upload something or type something in, you have to click submit assignment first, okay? Even though you haven't done anything yet, it'll give you the options to load them up. Okay, and then the last one, I think, is arts and entertainment. Directions are here and topics again, okay? And I believe, okay, so after that, those of you that logged on last week, I just posted some puzzles and stuff for you to do just to keep your brain active. A lot of you have done these. A lot of you have gotten 100. Awesome job. Thank you. Oh, and Flipgrid. Yesterday I sent something out. I said, hey, check out Flipgrid. And I believe you've got to be signed in like to the desktop version. Also, I don't know if it works in the app version or not. And you'll just come in here and you'll click on this plus sign and you'll make me a video. Or you can watch mine first and then make your video. I've got Isaiah that has already submitted one in 6th grade and Ricky that's already submitted one in 7th grade. So if you're having trouble getting into that, it's probably because you need to be in the desktop version, okay? So I've talked for 10 minutes. I'm going to go ahead and cut this off because that's 10 minutes too long. If you have any questions, email me or send me a message in Canvas. I am sitting here grading your submissions so far, okay? So I hope this helps out with Canvas. I know this is all new to a bunch of you, so hang in there. We got this, okay? All right, see you guys later. Miss you bunches. Bye.